Hello viewers. Today we are going to see about how to add missing documents and citation in Scopus. For that, we need to go for this website .com app slash overview dot slash Scopus. We need to go this website now to add any missing document in Scopus. Straight away, I am going to that website. See that service.com slash app slash overview slash Scopus. After going this website, you can see that different option. That means you quickly ask any questions. You how do I use the auto feedback shot, and then how to request to add the missing document. Do I correct my author profile? How can I add missing citation? How to I create a correct application profile. Here we are going to see about how to add missing document first. For that, just you go to click this one. How to add how to request to add a missing document, just to click in this one. After clicking this link, she will navigate to another window or another web page. Okay, so you can see that we saw. Okay, in this you can see that on this link, right, web form. Just go to click this link. So after clicking this link, it goes to some page. That means it goes to contact support. After that, going with this site, this web page, next you go to choose this contact person. In that contact person, just you go to click this hard machine document. After clicking this one, they are asking about some basic information about a published journal. Where you published that paper, okay, journal detail. Whether that currently indexed in the Scopus or not, you have to check that journal. Recently, I published paper in Journal of Circuit and System and Computers. It contains both number, ISSN number, print ISSN and EASSN, nothing but only ISSN. My paper is published in online, not published in a printed version. So now to add this paper, I'm going to copy this ISSN number, EASSN number, and then copy, and then you can paste here. Okay. After pasting this detail, they ask about which date that paper was published. Okay, all that I'm going to put my paper details. My paper is available at online ready. I'm going to search my paper. This paper was published in the Journal of Circuit and Systems Computers. You can see that detail here. My paper was published on 8th August 2020. So you can note this date, and then we can provide the detail in this section. Just you have to provide the detail, and then you can click this one, search. After search, they are given some after verification of the ISSN and publication bid that they provide some detail. If the request content belongs to the current year, please click the form under and agent will get back to you with the solution. That means general details is currently listed in the Scopus. Next, you got to add some basic information. Please provide the following information. Just you got to type add my paper in my profile. That's all. And then I can they ask about some basic information about that paper, document title, and just you would copy this title, copy the title, and then paste here. And then they ask about the DOE. It's optional. You can provide the DOE or if that paper is DOE, then you can provide the DOE number. So see that this is a DOE number. Just to copy this one, and then provide the DOE here. And then they ask about the document details, type, whether it's article or abstract or some other details in this article. And after that, they ask about volume issue number. It's just that the paper was published online. Till now, not the journal not provide that volume issue number. Just you look up the detail long ago, you can provide regular as mail, and then you can provide page number. Which one start from one? Let's say you can provide page number from one. Then they ask about some question. You can ask some question or provide some details about what paper. You just go to add this detail into same detail that the question section. I'm just go to provide same detail. Add my paper profile. After giving the detail, they ask about some PDF. That means the PDF of the missing document. Here you can see that my paper is available in the online. I'm going to take PDF. That means I'm going to make that detail in PDF format. I need to see the month and some location. Here I'm going to say that. Here I'm going to upload the document. I'm going to choose that file. I'm going to choose that file. And then it will be uploaded in that website. After uploading that, that will have some basic information about the editor, our title and our first name, last name, email address, and then each and the other detail we do provide in this section. And then you have to send your question. Just to click this one. But query is sent to that Scopus support team. So you will receive some email about that query, and also after receiving that email, I think within 48 hours, they will head back to you about that proper details. This is about how to add that missing document in that Scopus. I think after getting that mail and response from the Scopus team, it will be take nearly 2 to 3 weeks. 3 week time for adding a paper and notebook. Next month that how to add missing document. Suppose in Scopus website, your paper is referred to by another paper, but they are using your paper references. That means they not properly cited your paper in the reference section of the corresponding paper. Then you can notify that reader with the Scopus in order to include your citation. After that, just you go to with that website, same website. Okay, and they can use that how can I add missing citation, and then go to that the form. Here you can select the option varies and read citation correction, or you can take this one. They are asking about some detail that mean about that citation detail. You can write the subject matter, add that when you can give some subject like add missing citation to my paper, and then they ask about the file in which paper your paper have been referred to, that detail have been asked. Okay, just you would upload that paper, corresponding paper, and then you can provide that detail about the citation, and then you can send the question to the supporting team. Within 40 days, they will head back to you about that solution. Okay. So that the details are correct, then within 2 or 3 weeks, that citation going to be included in your paper. Thank you.